Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how can you add the stretch transition effect in CapCut PC to your clips. So it's very simple. You are just going to select your photos or your videos that you like to edit, and you are just going to go to transition and select stretch and turning. So you can just for the duration of the transition, and you can apply to all the clips and go to effect. You can select horizontal place to alright. Going to replace. Alright. This is the final effect you have on your video. So super simple tutorial. I hope this was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.